Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Clickbank for beginners for free. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that are interesting to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I really appreciate you. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content, which again is how to make money on Clickbank for beginners for free. And I'm going to give you 5 steps to affiliate profits. The first step is going to be to choose an area that people have the most problems in, which are 3 areas: health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the areas that you're going to make the most money because that are the areas that people have the most problems, and you can help them solve those problems. The second step is to choose a specific niche in one of those areas. So you don't want it to be too broad. For example, in the health area, you could have how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight, the keto diet, the paleo diet. And in the relationship area, maybe how to get back your girlfriend or your boyfriend. So you're going to go to the marketplace on Clickbank and see what kind of offers there are in that specific niche. So if you go to the marketplace and then just click you can look at the categories here on the left, or you can just click the search here without putting anything in to see what are the most popular products on Clickbank. And you can see the first one is belly fat. And there's one on relationships. This one is a back pain solution here. And this one I know you have to be approved for. Organifi, it's a green juice. And so you can come in here and see what's the most popular products that are being sold. But you want to pick something that you know something about, you have some interest in, because you're going to be creating a lot of content around this niche. So for myself, I've been a physical therapist for 28 years. It would be pretty easy for me to promote the back pain solution. Number 3, you're going to start a YouTube channel and post a video a day focusing on solving that specific problem. So for me, if I was going to promote the product on back pain, I could go to the instant search on YouTube and type in how to get rid of back pain. And you can see there's a lot of good keywords. By the way, this is a free plugin called Keywords Everywhere, and it'll tell you how many searches a month for each of these keywords. So how to get rid of back pain, that's a good keyword. How to get rid of back pain at home, how to get rid of back pain fast at home. So I would start creating content around these keywords. Back pain while sleeping, back pain instantly. I can create content around all these keywords. Or if you, let's say you pick how to get rid of belly fat, so you can see that's a really good keyword. How to get rid of belly fat at home, for women, for men, fast, overnight, belly fat pooch. How to get rid of belly pooch, that's another good keyword. So you're going to create content around that specific problem. You can take one keyword for each video, and you're going to start building an audience of people who look to you as somebody who's not just trying to make money, but to actually help them solve their problem. And they're going to start to trust you and to go back to your channel because they know that you're somebody who really cares and not somebody who's just trying to make some money, but you're putting out valuable content to help them solve their problem. And then the way that you're going to monetize after you build this audience is you're going to, in your videos, just give them part of the solution of what they're looking for, and then you're going to have a call to action at the end of your video to say if you want more details on how to do whatever it is that you're telling them to do or solving for them, then click the link below this video and you can have access to this product that'll tell you even more about how you can solve this problem. And that's where you're going to have your affiliate link. But you don't want to direct them just to your affiliate link. You want to be able to keep in touch with those people. And so you're going to have a lead capture page and you're going to collect email addresses. And that way you can continue to tell them about the benefits of whatever product that you chose in Clickbank, but also other offers that solve that same problem that are related. So if, for example, I do the back pain niche, not only can I promote that Clickbank product, but I can tell them about other products that I would recommend on Amazon, such as a back pillow or a specific office chair, something that's going to prevent them from having the pain in the first place or solve the issue of them having back pain, because sitting is the area that people have the most back pain in. And I, being a physical therapist for 28 years, I know how, what kind of products that I would recommend. So those are just some ideas. And then with the belly fat niche, you can find products that are related around that on Amazon as well. So that's it. These 5 steps are it's going to be more of a long-term strategy on how to build an audience and monetize that audience. But that's how to make money on Clickbank for beginners for free on YouTube. And I hope that you guys received some value from this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and again, subscribe to the channel. And that's it for today's video. This is Karen Merrill signing off, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.